What? The world, it's not a plan. Here in the Gaza nation, we all know already a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. We don't know when I come for represent, We don't know a Gaza alliance I represent for. We don't know a loud effect. Every time I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, we don't know a loud explosion. Right? Right. So here what I say, over the years, Gaza nation, Vibes Cartel incarcerated. Let me tell you something. You have some little rat and cat around dance hall we go around and nibble upon the man name. Watch this no man. When them artists do nothing good, or for instance, them do a song where the public are gossa. The whole of them think that them artists are the best and Vibes Cartel should stay in a prison. You see what I'm dealing? When them see Vibes Cartel do nothing now where the world will go cave in the dancehall universe, everybody jump on and nibble upon him name like some cat and rat. But when you read the Gaza nation, when you know the general deal with them think different, him not follow no boy thing, right? You know I attack my thing different. You know my thing and one of a kind, right? Alright, the rat give a problem, the cat can't solve them, him can't solve them, the rat give a problem, the cat can't solve them, him can't solve them. Have a look at cat where I get from west. I carry him on my yard, I never take him for my pet. I carry him on my yard for take 1 day rest with 2 quarter milk and 3 chicken chest. Him eat off the meat and the bone him left and carry it outside, go give me dog, get for take, hear my dog a grumble. Look who I try to impress. And the first cat I see I give me eat and left. The dog start worry and the cat start fret. Him jump out and sleep and go all a quick fresh. I come off of my bed in a cat sit my step. Put my foot in my boot them wet. The cat turn round pissing on my clock scrap and leave me for catch schooling on my instep. Poor me never know, say the cat in my bait. When one look a rat, make the fucker start chase. Run all over the blasted place. Then round a corner, think him escape. Buck up and father rat round the wait. When him sight father rat, him draw front brake. Father rat look on him and said, what a mistake. Are you name pussy, well are you we go and rip. Them carry not the house and them as we locate. It full of pear rat, me coulda all find space. Rat and yam flower, me say rat and yam grape. Rat a DJ, rat a concentrate. Rat a play skipping with my shoes lace. Him just come in my house, plug in my set, turn on my video and put in cassette. Then turn round shit in my buffet and wipe him body on my front carpet. The cat and the rat, them want to attack. Them bust 16 and no lick one pop. Them own radio station for stand up and chat and watch TV for watch football. What is coming from Stone over the night well late? Lord, me feel hungry, man, I couldn't bother wait. Me rush me round next school, Lord, my case. Going on my fridge, take out my milkshake. Class my hand and then I say my grace. I take up a piece, go make a quick taste. It come like a stinking fart from a piece of cat in my bed and shit. Watch. Cat and rat on this bumbo clock. This is an ear about exile fear and hold on and running. When I feel like a lollipop thing, let me tell you something. When I say exile fear on us, you know say we are the ruler for the dancehall kingdom. You hear that? We are the ruler for the dancehall kingdom. And a lollipop thing. You hear that? And if you know say guards around the street and a lollipop thing. When in the ear, man say the ruler for dancehall. You're welcome.
Baby, stay here for a few minutes for me.
Yeah?
I don't want to get tickets.
Alright. Watch. The general, the 10-star one. I sound up this morning in a different style. Here we go on, Gaza nation. I say when them hear about exile fear, I say them run go there. Some of them do review. I don't know what some of them do, but I can't tell you no Gaza nation. Most of them will hear lick out from Gaza and go like them no real Vibes Cartel. Let me tell you something. The biggest of them platform of Vibes Cartel them talk about. You hear me I say? The biggest of them platform of Vibes Cartel them talk about. You hear me I tell you? Some of them are just like foot of hype, you know. They won't go do them things that just forget a hype, you know. Because him is a man who love lick out from Vibes Cartel. And when him ready, him run gone over Vibes Cartel God Vibes Cartel page and make all kind of comment and all kind of talk and all know each other ever look upon him and him still no shame. A real thing me I tell you now. So some of them man here where you see a leak out from Gaza, them not really have no shame, my brethren. Because as Gaza drop nothing, or Gaza look for drop nothing, and them first I dive down and I do review of all kind of shit like them a Gaza, man. And some of them going to know how to discriminate Gaza and go like them want twist up like them is a spatula we have two sides. A spatula them we have two sides, you know, like you flip some blood clot burger or egg or some shit with the blood clot spatula. Them that man have two bumbo clot side and the whole in the order, man. You want to know about order. You know, whole in the bumbo clot order, just like some boy, him there in a party, him friend them buy a box of Guinness. And them man they come over this year and buy some bottle of champagne. And watch him with that drink Guinness already. Watch him now. Through the man them a buy champagne. The man him not necessarily have to beg the man them, but the man them a say, yo, have some champagne over there, so. Him already a drink Guinness already, you know. Run gone over there for champagne. And you drink all your bum buckler order. You hear me? I suck come Dumacheski thing come in. You hear me? I suck come flunky the boat. All on a blood clot order, you hear that at the general, the 10-star one, you know when I represent, you know it's a lollipop thing, you know when time I sound the big thing them I walk on. Yo, I tell you something, we tougher than the iceberg we broke Titanic. We say anchor, all the big ship out of sea. Gaza for life. Watch. Watch. Huh?